Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. I have this question here. The table below shows the number of books read by 5 children in 1 month. If Sharifa read 3 books less than one third of the total number of books read by the other 4 children, then how many books did Sharifa read in a month? Now it's given that Sharifa read 3 books less than one third of total number of books read by the other four children. So let's first find the total number of books read by other 4 children. Total number of books read by other 4 children equal to, let's see, 25, 15, 19, 10. So we'll have to add them. 25 plus 15 plus 19 plus 10. So let's see, 25 plus 15 is 40. 40 plus 19 is 59. 59 plus 10 is 69. So it's 69. Sharifa read 3 books less than one third of this value. So let's first find, therefore, one third of total number of books is equal to one third of 69, which is equal to one third multiplied by 69, which is equal to 23. Now Sharifa read 3 books less than 23. Therefore, in 1 month, therefore Sharifa read 23 minus 3, which is equal to 20 books in 1 month. So this is the answer.